Hey, this is Danielle, the domestic scientist, and this video is the first look at my second guest bedroom. I put together this guest bedroom using mostly what I have, but I did buy one or two new items. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my new items, my old items, and I'm going to share with you the backstory of how this room came together. So let's get started. So I purchased this cream upholstered headboard from a furniture store called Weekends Only. Now, Weekends Only is a super affordable store, and they're only open Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, hence the name Weekends Only. So one day, I think probably around President's Day, Memorial Day, something like that, during a holiday, I happened to find this headboard on sale for $75. And I thought this would be perfect to finish out the furnishing in my second guest bedroom. So this tufted headboard from Weekends Only is upholstered with like a microfiber material that has kind of like a velvet sheen to it. So it's absolutely beautiful and it's very soft. It feels just amazing to the touch. Now this piece was very easy to assemble. It's just the headboard itself and the two legs that you have to attach to it. And of course, once you attach the legs to the headboard, you just attach the legs to the base. Now I opted to just get the headboard instead of the matching footboard simply because I have a queen size bed that I'm putting in a guest room, and I can envision as people come through to visit with their rolling luggage, just trying to make the corners in the bedroom. I really didn't want the edge of the footboard to get banged up by rolling luggage and things of that nature. So just to save a little bit more space at the edge of the bed, I just decided to keep the headboard only, and I think so far it is looking great. So this is the backstory for how this room came to be. Many years ago, my husband asked me to come to his job and decorate his office. Now, when I got to his office, the wall color in that room was like a beige with a hint of yellow. And I had zero decorating experience and a next to nothing budget. So of course, we went thrifting. So this is the first piece of art my husband and I purchased together as a married couple. Now we purchased this at a local thrift store for about $5. And one of the things that we really liked about it is it had a corporate artwork type of vibe. The other thing we liked is the colors. We thought the neutral colors when it comes to the tans would really kind of help downplay the yellow in the paint, and it did work beautifully. So now we have both agreed that this is really not the type of art or color palette that we would, want for ourselves, but it made sense with the space we were working in and the budget that we had at the time. My husband's current work office is mostly glass, so he doesn't really have an area in that office to hang his artwork. So we decided to put it in our guest bedroom because we thought it actually looks pretty good with the paint color we have. Now we also bought these two linear pieces of art from like Linens and Things or Bed Bath & Beyond because we thought the color at the top more so matched the paint color in his office. So even though this particular artwork is not quite as executive as the other piece, we thought it was going to kind of bridge the gap between all the different yellow tone paint colors. So now it's hanging on either side of my bed. So when it comes to lighting right now, I'm just lighting this space with these gorgeous set of lamps that I found from wayfair.com. Now these lamps used to be in my home office. However, I did upgrade the lighting downstairs. So if you haven't already seen it, I did a whole lighting makeover series. I'll post a link to that in the description box below. So once I upgraded the lighting in my home office, I had these lamps left over, so I decided to move them upstairs to my guest bedroom. Now at some point in time, I am going to upgrade the lighting in these rooms, and I'll do a whole another lighting upgrade video. So for now, so far so good with my Wayfair lamps. So the nightstands were super affordable. I purchased these for about $50 for the set on Craigslist.com many years ago. And then the red sculptures that I put underneath were also from my husband's office because they complemented the artwork that you see in this room. And I think I got those from Kirkland's. So in the corner of my guest bedroom, I have a solid wood mahogany dresser. Now I've had this dresser ever since high school and she is still hanging in there. So on top of the dresser, I put in a black vase. Now the black vase came from Home Goods about last year, and this is from Tahari Home Design. They do fabulous pieces. I did a little white hydrangea floral arrangement, and then I put this beautiful candle on top. Now this candle smells so good. It's a limited edition piece that I found at my local Home Goods, and it smells so amazing. Even when it's not lit, you can smell it when you walk in the room. So definitely it adds a cozy vibe to my guest bedroom. All right, so the candle that's on top of my dresser is from a company called 96. They also made the candle that's on top of my bed tray, and it smells just so yummy. Now, these candles were about $15 a piece at my local Home Goods, and I definitely suggest that you go look for them if you're at Home Goods because they are absolutely wonderfully fragranced. The other item I put on my bed tray is a set of decorative glasses. Because I wear glasses, I thought it would be a really cute addition, and I have a votive of roses. So when it comes to the bedding, I kind of had a rush job when it comes to the bedding. My mom came to visit me probably a month after I had just closed on my house, and I was still in the process of moving. The movers were bringing my stuff out of storage that had come from out of state. So I had boxes everywhere, and I really hadn't had a plan for how I wanted to decorate any of the rooms in my house. So I just ran to my local Macy's and I found a bed in a bag on clearance, and I just purchased that for about $20. And I said, this is going to be great for right now. And at some point down the road, I'll think, the whole room through. So this is how I've created a room just using mostly what I had, everything that's in that red color family. And I just kind of put it in the room and it's making do for right now. So because this room is rarely ever used, it's one of those rooms that I will eventually get to completely redoing later on down the road. But for right now, it's looking great. And if I do have family come in from out of town, there is a nice, warm, comfortable place for them to stay. So I'm Danielle, the Domestic Scientist. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like what you saw today, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.